is Alistair's favourite pastime, trying to chuck the ball. There we go. Say hello, Alistair. Oh, nearly. Oh, I'll get it. I'll get it. Okay. Ready. Here it comes. Right, see if you can get it into the... Way! Got it. Good shot. Hooray! Would you like me to get it down for you? Would you like me to get it for you? He's shaking it. I'll get it. I'll get it. Oh, he did. Yeah, he did it. Very good. You saying hello? Bye-bye, ball. Who's that in there? Who's that in there?